Hello guys, it's Snooze here, and today I'll be doing a quick sound review of the dreamrocker Ultra 4.1 gaming chair, like I said in the previous video of the review of it. So yeah, I'm gonna Bluetooth it with my phone. So yeah, it's like got that compatibility. So yeah, just gonna play it. Looks not coming out on my phone. So that's a review of the sound on it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, hope you like it. Subscribe and like for more of these like type of videos, and soon I'll be doing unboxings and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, being great support. So thanks, bye.